To St. Elizabeth now, where new classroom spaces have been created as schools reopen. But some students say it's been mentally draining to return to the classroom. Krista Campbell has our story.
A fire burns debris left by a hurricane that devastated St. Elizabeth and turned several schools inside out. Despite extensive damage here at Louisville High School in Newmarket, Vice Principal Dr. Donna Cranston Brown says administrators are trying to facilitate all grades. She says contributions from charity organizations are being used to provide food, clothes, school supplies, and other needs of the students. But on the first day of the new school term, only 125 of the 368 students turned up. That's only 34% of the population. President of the student body, Casey Campbell, says it's been a mental fight that's tougher on some students than on others.
We know that Melissa came, most students' roof went, so books are soaked and all of that, the stress of not having homes. It is bothering them, so they're not focused on school. Most students don't even remember things that they have learned. They don't have notes to study.
Presently, we have extended learning, like camping for students, where we have teachers staying over and the students, they stay here for the entire week until weekend. They would go home to their parents. And within that time, we have extra classes for them.
At St. Elizabeth Technical High School, construction is still in full swing. But the principal says school will resume on Tuesday with notable changes.
Our grades 7 to 9 students will attend school for 4 days each week, while our grades 10, 11 and 6th form students will come to school every day.
I'm not very prepared because most of the students during the hurricane we've lost their home, lost their books with most of the notes, so we're really behind with the studies and all.
At Middle Quarters Primary and Infant School, Principal Praveen Watson-Barrett says extra lessons are needed to get students back on track with the Education Ministry modified curriculum. But she's awaiting word on further adjustments to the Primary Exit Profile PEP exams. She reported a 50% turnout of students on the first day back.
Where we had sick bay, we had to change that into a classroom space. Where we have 2 grade 5, we have to merge so that we can accommodate having the students coming in.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.